What's up, guys? Justin here, RCA Garage. I want to tell you guys a little bit about Klarna. It is a financing company that we are now offering financing through. They have a couple of different options. They have what you call a slice, so you can have 4 different payments and they'll take it out every 2 weeks for you. So you have that option. There's also 0 interest up to 6 months. We offer financing up to 12 months. Definitely take advantage of this, guys. It is an awesome deal. You can get anything you want, coilovers, wheels. We even have shop services that you can actually finance as well. So definitely hit us up if you guys want to get anything, and we'll hook it up. Buy now, pay later.